Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a hyperlinked digital planner using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create this kind of planner with simple steps anyone can follow. Let's dive into the process. First of all, start by creating a custom-sized design. I am doing an 8 by 11 inches size. The first thing we're going to add is a cover background. Go to Elements and type Daisy Sketch or anything you want as a cover. I am going to use this one. Adjust the size. Go back to Elements and type Spiral Notebook. As you can see, there are a bunch of journal spirals. Click whatever one you want. I'm going to go with this one. Place it to the left and make sure it's in the middle of the page. Resize the spiral. Then go to Elements and add a square shape. Change the color if you want. Resize it. Place it wherever you want. I am going to drag it up here. Just make sure you leave room for the tabs. Add text and write the planner's main title. Change the color. Place it over the shape. Change the font. Choose any font you want. I think I'm going to choose this font. Now add another text. Let's drag this back here. Add another text. Place it down here. Resize and reorganize everything as you prefer. Now here is the main part. Add a shape. You can choose the shape as you like. Change the color. Resize. Place it on the right of the page up here. What we are going to do is duplicate this 12 times or more. Make sure you have space for all the hyperlinks you want to add. This is where hyperlinking comes in. Go to Position. Select all the rectangles. And click on Group. Place it in the middle. Go back to Position and send it back. Now we are going to add the tab text. Change the font. Change the color. Drag it up here. Resize. Click on Duplicate. That way, you won't have to change the font, the color, and the size over and over. Change the text and type all the months. Add all the months and any other titles you want. Now let's go to the next step. Add page. Go to Design and search for Monthly Planner under Templates. Find the design you like. I am choosing this one. Add all the months from January to December pages. Now switch to Pages View and rename all the pages, each one with its month. We are going to need this to make the links in the tabs. Check everything is in place. Now let's go back to the first page. Right-click on the Jan text and click on Link. Choose the January page. Make sure you link each page to its correct tab. Redo that for all the tabs and the pages until you link all of them. Now let's check this up. Go to Share. Download as a standard PDF. And here is the PDF. Let's try to click here. Here you are, it works. Finish linking the other pages and add as much new pages as you want. You can find a lot of templates to use. And that's it. Let's make a quick recap of what we have done today. We designed the cover page. We added the titles. We added the tab shapes. We chose monthly planner pages from the Canva ready-made templates. We named the pages. And finally, we linked each tab to its corresponding page. I hope you like this video. Don't forget that you can download this exact template for free so you can add more pages and make your own planner. Like and share this tutorial and subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.